Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls.
This is my first Christmas in the dollhouse. Hope they enjoy my gingerbread train. All aboard! Woo!
Joss is busy making a delicious gingerbread train to share with her new friends. The key ingredients you will need for this craft are fun foam and white hot glue sticks. Leave a like if you enjoy this video and subscribe to help our channel grow. So, let's get making. On paperboard, draw the template pieces needed to make the train. You may wish to pause the screen here to copy our dimensions. Next, cut the required pieces from brown fun foam. We used extra thick 5mm foam for this project. Starting with the engine cab, take the two tall side walls and roof piece. Run hot glue along the top and attach the roof, followed by the other side wall. Draw lines of hot glue down the lower third of the side walls to attach a sidecar A square. This will be the back of the cab. On the opposite side, put more hot glue and adhere the first engine dome piece. Here, we want to switch our glue and use specialty white glue sticks. Run a generous line of white glue around the edge of the dome as seen. Then, adhere the next dome piece. Avoid squishing the pieces together. You want to see the white glue just like you see the icing on a real gingerbread treat. Repeat with the next dome. Position the cow catcher, giving it a slight outward angle. Next, glue on the wheels and the engine is built. For the cars, take two A squares and two side car B rectangles. Join together with white hot glue to make a box. The center car also needs the roof piece. Our train is looking good. Let's move on to decorating. Outline in white glue the smoke box door and draw great lines on the cow catcher. For gumdrop accents, we punch circles of coloured fun foam with a general stationery punch. Squeeze a drop of white glue and carefully place the coloured foam circle into it. We doubled up the green foam for more height in the chimney. Repeat the process of piping an outline and making small glue dots to decorate the back and sides of the engine cab. Around the open windows, we tried to make scallop details by placing drops of hot glue close together. On the cars, we pencil sketched swirl shapes to guide us, since you really only get one shot with hot glue. Add more gumdrops. It helps to pre-plan where you want the candy to go and the colour order you want, as these specialty hot glue sticks dry very quickly. Cut small circles of white fun foam for the wheels, 4 per car and 2 for the engine cab. Then add extra thick wiggly lines and dots for finishing touches. Transform the wheels into peppermint candies using a red marker. Find the center point of the circle, draw curvy V shapes, then colour in. We did 5 per circle. Don't forget to colour the sides to continue the illusion. On the central car roof, we glued on these mini candy cane tree ornaments. For that extra touch, we will add fine glitter to give all our gumdrops that super sugary look. Use a paintbrush to apply liquid glue to just the coloured fun foam, then carefully shake the glitter over top. While that dries, we can make a quick serving tray. Cut, stack and glue 3 rectangles of paperboard. We have a small container of artificial snow gifted to us after a workshop by Street Science, link in the description box. It's the perfect amount for our gingerbread train scene. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature Christmas crafting fun.